In this video, I want to tell you about data analytics tools. You'll get a quick review of each, including its uses, advantages, and disadvantages. The video will look at tools ranging from open source tools to commercial software. Data analytics is the process of extracting, organizing, and analyzing large sets of data in order to discover patterns, trends, and insights that can be used to make data-driven decisions. It involves using various statistical and mathematical techniques to interpret data and gain valuable insights from it. Data analytics can be applied to different types of data, such as structured and unstructured or data, and is used in various industries and sectors to improve decision-making, optimize business processes, and drive overall performance. Now let's go to introduce the tools. Are you fucking ready? Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft that is commonly used for data analysis. It allows users to organize, manipulate, and analyze data using various features and functions. With Excel, users can perform calculations, create charts and graphs, use formulas to derive insights from data, and generate reports. It's widely used in business, finance, and other industries for data analytics purpose. Its built-in capabilities are invaluable. It has data analysis-friendly calculations and graphing functions, including pivot tables and form development tools. Python is a programming language used in data analysis. Fortunately, Python is much simpler and has a lot of readability, which is why it has become so popular. Python is also incredibly adaptable with a plethora of resource libraries suited to a wide range of data analytics jobs. The NumPy and Pandas libraries, for example, are excellent for highly computational operations, while else allowing generic data manipulation. R is a popular programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. It's widely used in data analytics for tasks such as data manipulation, visualization, and statistical analysis. Similarly, those who know Python will learn this programming language quickly. One of the main advantages of R is its extensive collection of statistical packages and libraries, which provide a wide range of tools for data analysis and modeling. These packages allow users to perform various statistical tests, build predictive models, and conduct exploratory data analysis. And in the end, you say to yourself, what the fuck, that's amazing. This programming language offers excellent data visualization capabilities with a variety of plotting packages available. These allow users to create high-quality graphs and charts to better understand and communicate their data. Furthermore, R supports integration with other programming language and tools, allowing for seamless data integration and manipulation. It also has a large and active community of users who contribute to its development and create additional resources such as tutorials and packages. Jupyter Notebook is a powerful tool for data analytics, offering an interactive, documentation-rich, and visually appealing environment for analyzing and visualizing data. Its integration with data science libraries, support for different programming languages, and collaborative features make it an ideal choice for data analysts, scientists, and researchers. Whether you're exploring data, building models, and communicating results, Jupyter Notebook can help you unlock insights and make data-driven decisions. Jupyter Notebook is a browser-based programming environment that supports over 40 languages, including Python and R. It also connects with big data analysis tools such as Apache Spark and provides a variety of outputs such as HTML, pictures, videos, and more. Tableau is one of the greatest commercial data analysis tools available for creating interactive visualization and dashboards without expensive coding knowledge. The suite handles vast amounts of data better than many other BI tools and is extremely user-friendly. It includes a visual drag and drop interface, which gives it a significant advantage over many other data analysis tools.